Hi guys, how are you all today morning? Good morning. Yesterday in the evening we discussed about the divine nature of a living entity who is in a goodness mode and who progresses from the material goodness to the spiritual goodness. Today, I will talk about the ignorance mode and the demonic nature, where a person in the ignorance mode in the material nature goes further down into demonic nature and into hell. We have already mentioned how God told his people that they can either have 7 divine births or 3 demonic births. In the 3 which are demonic, every birth should culminate in God's annihilating or killing that particular living entity. We also discussed about the zinger in this promise. God will never try to kill a living entity who is a part and parcel of the God Himself, unless and until God finds that this person is a danger to the other living entities. यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशायश्च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. Lord Krishna has declared in Bhagavad Gita that whenever he feels that there is a danger to the life of the society and good people, then to protect the society and the good people, he will be born or he will incarnate in this world to annihilate the bad people. To qualify for such annihilation, a person should be powerful enough to subdue every nice person in the society. It is not easy to be born and to remain demonic forever. There is a movie in which an actor tells another actor, it is very, very difficult to be ruthless. Demonic character is such a character. An ignorant person, when he or she falls down to such an extent that he or she becomes incorrigible in this material society, then this person enters the demonic realm or the hell where only demons live. Demons, like divine birth people, have various forms. Demons are pishachas, evil spirits, asuras, rakshas, daityas, danavas, monsters, devils, demons, and other such evil persons. It is not necessary that they should be physically menacing enough. It has been proved beyond doubt that many demonic people or demons look quite frail and homely, and that is a disguise that they deliberately cultivate to hide their demonic nature. Similarly, there are several divine people who are huge, well built, and handsome, and who show a lot of health and strength, but that is only to hide their actual divine personality. You may appreciate that in a prison, the guards are always as strong and physically powerful as the prisoners, or sometimes the guards are far more powerful than the prisoners because they have to subdue these prisoners. We can say that the prison guards are like the divine guys, and the prisoners are like the demonic people. Hence, you cannot guarantee that a strong person has to be evil or a weak person has to be divine. No. Divinity comes in many forms like sages, monks, heretics, renunciants, angels, demigods, godmen, etc., of various shapes, sizes, and age. Similarly, in the case of demons, the person comes in the forms of evil spirits, ghosts, goblins, uh, monsters, Nephilim giants, etc., who are very evil to look at, but who try to hide their actual evil nature behind a facade of goodness. Kindly let me know what you think of my talk about the demonic nature people. If you feel that what I am saying makes sense, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I can keep informing you about my future videos. Kindly pardon me for my mistake or error in appearance, diction, spelling, grammar, etc. because when I'm talking to you about the spiritual and material things, I'm not able to concentrate on such frivolous matters. At the expense of repeating myself, I want to tell you that we should all try to be in the divine and goodness mode so that we can become divine in every stage up to the saturation point as demigods, munis, sages, saints, renunciants, sannyasis, angels, demigods, and godmen, etc. Because that is a better way of self realization, deliverance, liberation, and ultimately going back to Godhead. Till we meet next time in my next video, it is good day from TSV Raghavan.